In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Zillow account 2026 guide. If you're looking to personalize your real estate search, save favorite homes, get instant price drop alerts, and message agents directly, creating an account is the quickest way to get there. And thanks to 2026's streamlined one-tap sign-in options, you can be up and running in minutes. First, access the platform in whatever way is most convenient for you. On a computer or mobile browser, head to Zillow.com. If you prefer your phone or tablet, download the Zillow app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. The app includes enhanced features like augmented reality home tours, which are best experienced on a mobile device. So if you plan to explore neighborhoods on the go, the app is a great choice. Next, navigate to registration. On the homepage, select the Sign In button in the top right corner. In the app, you'll see Sign In on the welcome screen. In the pop-up or sign-in page, switch to the New Account or Create Account tab to open the registration form. Now choose your sign-up method. You can enter an email address and create a secure password, or use a social sign-in for a faster setup. Continue with Google, Apple, or Facebook is recommended because it skips most manual entry and links your existing profile instantly. If your device is already signed in, one tap will make this even quicker. If you go the email route, use a strong, unique password to protect your data. After you submit, complete account verification. If you signed up with email, check your inbox for a verification message and click the link inside to activate your account. If you don't see it right away, look in your spam or promotions folder. Once you're in, take a moment to enable two-factor authentication in your security settings. This adds a second layer of protection for sensitive items like saved financial data and rental applications, and it only takes a few taps to turn on. Finally, personalize your profile so Zillow can surface the right homes for you. Set your preferred price range, the locations you're interested in, and the home types you want to see, such as single, family, or condo. Then enable notifications. You can turn on push notifications in the app or email alerts if you prefer your inbox. Choose what you want to be notified about so you'll never miss a new listing or a price change that matches your criteria. You can always adjust these settings later as your search evolves. And that's it. You're ready to explore listings, save favorites, experience AR tours, and receive timely alerts tailored to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.